Hello, my name is Mary. I'm going to be posting a little introductory video about myself. Um, so we'll start with I graduated from Lafayette College in 2018, so I'm just a little over a year out of college. And then I spent the summer at home and took some classes, and now I'm living in Chicago where I'm taking some more classes. When I was undergrad, I studied biology and Spanish. So that was a good time. Now I'm taking this genetics class because I hope to apply to a master's in genetic counseling program in Chicago, as well as hopefully a couple other programs in various states. So I'm applying to that in December, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be enrolled somewhere next fall. So that's why I'm taking this genetics class. I'm also at the same time studying for the GRE, so very busy right now. I work at a hospital in Chicago. I work in audiology, pediatric audiology, so that's what I do sort of during the day. Some of my hobbies include reading when I'm not studying, and cooking, and I really enjoy working out. These are my parents. This is us at my graduation brunch, actually. So they live in Buffalo because I'm from Buffalo, New York. But they come visit me often, and they're excited that I'm taking this class and studying for the GRE because they know how badly I want to get into grad school. So they're very supportive. What else? So yeah, I studied biology, and I hope to get into grad school. So I definitely need to be taking this genetics class. What else can I talk about? My other hobbies include hanging out with my friends. I actually didn't know anybody when I moved to Chicago, sort of a last minute decision because of the job that I got. So I sort of made my own friends while I was here, so I enjoy making new friends, and I have a roommate, Lauren. So we actually did not know each other before I moved here, so she's been very supportive this whole time as well of me pursuing grad school and taking classes. So she's awesome, and that's pretty much everything you need to know about me. My other dream, other than grad school, is that I really want a golden retriever. And that's pretty much another goal of mine, to get a golden retriever and to go to grad school. Definitely want to have a family someday, so that's all you need to know about me. Again, my name is Mary, and I'll be taking this genetics class.